Howdy folks, it's Mama B, and today we've been playing with these sweet little lovebirds, and now they are all tuckered out. But we've got a special guest, JoJo, here, who is just excited over the moon because she loves it when these little guys are all tuckered out and they start to snuggle.
They're all snuggling with me. Okay, can I introduce them?
Yes,
okay.
I should.
Let me see. Okay, we got our oldest, Buried. This is Beaker.
Alright, let's hold him real still for a second. Let's let everybody take a look at him. I love how when he fluffs up, his little feathers look all spiky. And he looks like such a little rebel bird. He's a sweetheart.
Also, he has a gorgeous tail. Let me show you.
Oh, yeah.
If I can. It's kind of hard. He has orange, blue, yellow.
There we go. See those yellows and orange
and
green
and a little bit of white. And you know what that means?
What does that mean?
He has the elements. He has water, fire, snow, earth.
So Beaker's just an all-around
and probably the other elements
bird.
that I don't know right now.
And what's the next one?
The next one, our second oldest, is here. This is Martini. Wait, whoa!
Where'd he go?
Okay.
He says it's sleeping time.
This is Martini, which he doesn't want to be here, but that's Martini right there.
He wants to be
He's
there.
the
He
second
just wants
oldest.
to snuggle. He doesn't. He's camera shy, huh?
He's the second oldest. He's super adorable.
Martini, you cutie pie. He is really adorable.
And it's kind of funny because they're like all in a line. This is our third oldest.
And that one is, do you remember its name?
Grover.
Grover.
This is Grover. Keep in mind I've bonded to all of them in many different levels.
Grover has a really cool tail too. And it's different than Beaker's. I want to try and show it to us.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe not. Okay, let's take a look at that tail. You see that? It's yellow. It's got these little feathers.
It's got a little bit orange, so it's like
on coming out. Oh, it does have some orange coming in there. You see that right up there?
Right.
It's got the yellow and blues. Ah. What a cute little bird.
Yeah, this is our third oldest.
And Grover is our adventurer. Grover likes to just be out and about.
There you go. And you know what's pretty cool? Because they were all in a line, because Grover was right here. So it's oldest, second oldest, Grover. Third oldest, and youngest.
And youngest.
Come here. This one right here is named Runt.
And why is he named Runt?
Because he's the youngest.
That's the only reason. Not because he's a runt. Not because he's little at all. It just seemed right for him. That's sometimes how you just have to play these little names.
I want to move my finger, but I can't anymore. And he just keeps going farther and farther. So, like, there you go. See,
Is he backing up?
He's backing up. There you go. He's camera shy. He keeps going farther and farther.
He is camera shy, isn't he? Runt, are you a little bit camera shy, baby? Let me see if I can bring your face.
Wait, where's Grover?
He's snuggling up on my neck.
Oh. Grover, you love me. Okay.
All right, you're a cutie pie.
But can we just take a moment to look at these guys right here?
Well, we just got Runt focus. So give us a minute.
Yeah.
Runt's got a really pretty tail, too. Their tails are so fun to see. Now he's trying to nestle into my hand. All right, let's see these guys. What is it?
They're so adorable.
They're just
snuggling
laying out and resting. They're so adorable.
Real quick, I have a comment suggestion. Comment down below which bird is your favorite out of all four.
That would be a tough decision. Can people
Also,
even
you guys
handle
don't get to make me do that because they're just I love them all. Hi.
Yeah, but it was your idea.
Well, maybe I will.
You can't.
I can't. Look, so you got Beaker. Real quick. Let me tell you
us about him.
their amazingness. You got Beaker. He's adorable. He has that look in the eye that's like, yeah, I know, I'm the best, but I love you. I'm like, I love you back. But then you got, wait, which one? Oh, no. Then you got Runt. Runt's so cute, and he's a little bit camera shy. He's just so adorable. And I bonded to him. Because he's just got that face that's like, yeah, I'm shy, so I need someone to just kind of, hey, want to be friends? You know, that. Isn't that adorable? And then you got Grover. And Grover's just he's adventurous, but he's cuddly, and I love him. Oh my gosh. It's in heaven. It's in heaven. Hope not. It's back on Earth again.
Oh, he still looks like he's dreaming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's dreaming again. Then you got Grover, and he's adventurous, and he's sweet, and he's kind, and he's bonded to me. He's the first one who let me hug him. And then you got Martini, and he's just so beautiful, and he's adorable.
Which one's your favorite?
I think I'd have to say, I think Grover. Just because he's bonded to me so much.
Grover, you're the winner. You're such a cutie pie. Well, you can tell these little ones are super duper tired. So we're going to put them back. Let them have a nap.
Can I sing them a lullaby?
Sure.
Okay. Hush, 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 hush. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. It's time for y'alls to go to sleep. Go to sleep, go to sleep. You're cute, and you're cute, and you're cute, and so are you. You're all adorable and need to go to sleep and get your beauty rest. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Go to sleep. You're all amazing and adorable and cute and great, and I love you. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. I love you too. Go to sleep.
That was really great.
Right?
That was great. All right, now everybody's all ready for sleep. Well, folks, hope you had a fantastic day and hope you're enjoying this relaxing little moment. Happy little lovebirds. Thanks for joining us today.
Bye.
Have a fantastic day.